Though Texas dominated Mississippi State, winning its debut SEC game 35-13, the game wasn't the cleanest. But a far from perfect game is something Texas head coach Steve Sarkisian is okay with, especially considering the timing of it. Coach Sark commented, quote, "I'm actually kind of glad that we had some adversity today. Because the first 4 games were kind of smooth sailing and we needed some rough waters to see how we would respond because there's going to be rough waters ahead," end quote. While missed tackles, dropped passes, and fumbles aided the Bulldogs on offense and defense, it can be argued that the mistakes are what caused the Longhorns to drop to number 2 in the AP poll despite securing a 22-point win. These mistakes made by Texas aided both sides of Mississippi State's game, as the defense gave up a few big plays due to missed tackles. On offense, Texas fumbled twice and took points off the board, giving Mississippi State the ball. Sark gave the credit to his defense, who was able to put out the fires when some miscues happened on the offensive side of the ball. The biggest plays Texas gave up went for 46 yards in the air and 17 on the ground. But when the Longhorns play more offensively savvy opponents, they know that they'll need to eliminate the big plays. Another area Texas struggled in was getting the Bulldogs off the field. In the first half, they had over 21 minutes of possession. Though they were only able to score 2 field goals in the first half, Texas needed to get them off the field. In the second half, the Texas defense stepped up. Senior defensive lineman Vernon Broughton forced and recovered a fumble that highlighted one of 6 times Texas sacked Michael Van Buren. Even with the mistakes, the Texas defense has been stellar all year. It has given up just 3 touchdowns this year and is allowing just 7 points per game. The Horns will now have a bye week before going into an intense stretch of SEC play, as it will face 19th-ranked Oklahoma, 5th-ranked Georgia, and Vanderbilt. 3 games that will test the Longhorns in every way possible. From Texas Longhorns on SI, I'm Alexandra Cox.